Hi, this is Patti from the Santa Maria Valley Discovery Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make moonsand. In order to make moonsand, you need two ingredients, cornstarch and conditioner. And if you'd like to, you can use food coloring to add a little something, but it's completely optional. So over here I have 1 cup of cornstarch and a ½ cup of conditioner. You do not have to use these amounts, but you do need to have a 2-to-1 ratio of cornstarch to conditioner. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put my conditioner into the mixing bowl. And because I'm using food coloring, I'm going to add it in now, and I'm going to stir it so that it completely mixes into the conditioner. Once you're satisfied with how your color looks, you can begin to add the cornstarch. And you should begin to add it in small amounts so that way it mixes in evenly. It's a little bit more than I wanted, but it's still going to work. After you stir for a little bit with your spoon, you should start mixing it with your hands because that's going to be the best way to get the cornstarch to really bind with the conditioner. I think here's where I'm going to start to use my hands and mix the rest of this in. And as you're mixing, you might find that you might need to add a little bit more conditioner or cornstarch than what we started with, but that is just to get really like that sandy texture. And the texture that you're really aiming for is something that is smooth enough to kind of like move around easily, but also something that you'd be able to break apart easily. And I think with my moonsand, I'm getting there. It's not quite to that texture, but it's pretty close. Alrighty, and I think this is actually perfect. Again, it kind of goes like that. It moves, it's flexible, but I can break it apart. So that is how you make moonsand.